4, Terry Taylor and Austin Rogers. Row 3, Jay Birchfield and Freaky Fast Aiden Fletcher. Row 2, Blaze Chatham on the outside, JT on the inside, CJ Hodges and Austin Burke on the front row. Here we go. 20 laps the event. Burke out front. 3 wide as they step out of 2. Oh, a lot of hammering going on. Blaze Chatham, wild thing, goes for a spin in front of the field. How in the world all of them cars cleared the 14B? It is Blaze Chatham's lucky day. Wow. No laps complete. Just on the front row. WP Race Cars, JT Thomas and Blaze Chatham on the outside. Here we go. 3 wide as they step out of 2. Terry Taylor up on the hill. He battles Rogers. Oh, Chatham in trouble. 14 machine clears the 14B of Chatham. That's Aiden Fletcher. Fletcher in the 5th spot. Birchfield in the 4th position. Oh, no way. Blaze knows what's up. He's got to get it turned around before a caution. Chatham made a mistake again. Wild thing. Needs a caution. Burke out front. Chapel Hill, Tennessee. Starts to click the laps. 3 laps complete. 17 to go. Birchfield, see a little damage on the right quarter panel, rear quarter panel. Luckily, no tire rub. It's Burke out front. Hodges in 2nd. Thomas in 3rd. Jay Birchfield battling the 55 for the 3rd position. Birchfield may have the advantage as they exit out of 2 into the backstretch. Caution on the speedway. Caution on the speedway. We got a car turned around in turn 3. Green flag. Here we go. Thomas with his hands full. He's got Birchfield on the bottom. Terry Taylor working the back bumper. Birchfield's going to try to split him. Birchfield goes up the racetrack. He spins around. Caution on the speedway. On his own. Shower of sparks by the 4 machine. Doug Todd able to miss making collision with the 44 of Birchfield, but a little bit of right side damage on the 4 car. So Birchfield will get the caution here. They're going to chase Burke like a rabbit out in front of the Greyhound. Hodges goes to the bottom. It's Thomas up to the top. Connor Thomas chases him down the backstretch through 3 and 4. It's still Burke. Burke goes to the bottom. He'll slide up the racetrack at the flag stand. Hodges and Thomas left to battle for 2nd. Thomas has something working there up on the top, though. He's going to bring Aiden Fletcher with him. Burke may be in trouble this time. Thomas takes the lead in the backstretch. Can he hold it? Hodges now rallying the horses for 2nd. Burke slips back to 3rd. It's Thomas out front. Justin Thomas takes the lead. We've been here before. Cross flags in the air, 10 laps complete, 10 more to go. Oh no, Freaky Fast goes for a spin on his own. Oh, heavy lick into the wall. Logan Bright, Lee Ray. Cars are dodging the 14, and Doug Todd somehow winds up in the nose of the 14. Getting ready to go back green, Justin Thomas. Halfway home, here we go. Thomas out front, he's going to rip the lip. The two machine at Hodges holds the bottom of the racetrack. Burke trying to rally the horses, get back up to the front. He's in third. Terry Taylor, shower of sparks coming out of the rear of that machine. He's in the five spot. It's Fletcher in the fourth spot. Now Terry Taylor knocked the rear end off that thing. He'll caution on the speedway for the 7. Brian Cannon goes for a spin. That'll bring out a caution. So Terry Taylor not giving up. He was knocking the fenders off that thing. Green flag is out. Here we go. Hodges races to the doorstep of the 55. Thomas will carry him into the back stretch. .44 cranking on that wheel. He's in the third spot. Thomas under pressure. Here comes the 2 machine. CJ Hodges going to hold the bottom. Can he catfish it around the corner? Problems on the backstretch. No caution as of yet. 15 laps complete. 5 more to go. Hodges on the hip pocket of the 55. .55 chasing that carrot. It'll be 3 to go. Keep your eye on that 2 machine. This is not over. 55 is going to have to battle a little traffic here. And the 55 dives to the bottom. Bullhorns this time for Justin Thomas. WP race car looking for a 3-peat. White flag one more time around. Thomas through 3. He'll X out of 4. Checkered flag, double checker flag. Justin Thomas races his way into the Southern Street Stock Nationals. This is the 3rd year in a row for that double nickel to lock it in at the Prelude. Burke. No. Hodges second, Burke third, Aiden Fletcher fourth, Terry Taylor in the 5th position. Most positions gained was Camden Harp. Started 19th, finished 8th. 11 positions gained. Best lap of the race, Austin Burke, a 17.323. So here he comes, race fans. 3 years in a row, this car has locked its way into the show. There's his brother, Connor. These boys switch up for the big races. I tell you, it's got to be hard to give up the seat, but this is what these brothers do. They show compassion, love to each other. They're always their biggest fan. Connor won last year at this very event. JT won in 2023. Here he is, race fans. Justin Thomas steps out of the race car. Man, you are locked in to the Southern Street Stock Nationals, brother. A lot of high fives, hugs, man. I tell you what, just shows the importance of this event. All the stress can go away now. They can focus on having a fast race car. It's not the first time that they've been in this position. Big smiles, high fives, hugs down in victory lane. Justin Thomas is the man right now. All right, so they're going to send them to pit side. We're going to get ready for our next main event here tonight. It's going to be the Sportsman late model cars.